mountain man, old dirty bird in the backwood with the wave, breaker.
Mr. Dirty Bird? Mr. Dirty Bird making a whole lot of noise in my little radio up here around the state of Maine. Screwdriver, we're telling you.
But a real 45 up in Maine. I mean, around Jersey. Hello, Rio.
And my little radio just ain't getting out.
Hey, appreciate the bump down. 226 Georgia, man, we waving at you.
Yes, sir, Rio 45. I'm playing this afternoon. I'm going to get this Georgia station back out there a ways. Oh, Hamma Slam in the backwoods, goddamn. Mountain man, junkie, monkey, mobile in Georgia, break. Ain't no condition up here in these Tennessee hills. What about all that?
Seeing this thing.
That just got down. Who just got down? Hamma Slam in Georgia. Hamma Slam in these backwoods. I'm standing by break. A mountain man, 111, Tennessee hills, waving.
Introduce the puppet.
And up in the White Mountains, in the East, waving. Hamma Slammer.
Hello, 6999. Hey, 6999, old dirty bird in Georgia, waving, breaker.
Come on.
I just want to key in there. I heard you shout for that main station there, but I guess you didn't want to play, but I figured I'd key in there and... go to the Italian bakery. Country.
Here I go, mountain man. Here I come. Hey, mountain man, 9C9. He just wave, dirty bird, back out.
Ding away, Big Papa. Hamma Slammer, so have a good day.
Jack, have a good one. Yeah, but that Italian bakery...
Poach it, Big Papa, your friend.
Cruising. Oh, Big Papa, why you cruising? Hey, Big Papa, why you cruising? Dirty bird, back out. This receiver, come on, let's go, let's get it. 226, wave it.
I see there's a too cakey for me.
Mountain man, you blowing smoke. Blowing through the state of Tennessee.
Boy, a big radio come out of that northeast corner.
Mountain man, what you got going on up there? But you one of them boys on the mall right about right now. Hey, mountain man, you got that mall lady, dirty bird told you I'm rocking on.
Why are you going to bring up old shit? AT&T and this 18 wheels of steel in the backwoods of Georgia.
I was listening to Big Papa talking about some Kool-Aid. Mountain man, you don't want no Kool-Aid, do you? I'm drinking Coca-Cola Classic in a can, and Mountain man, I'm back out.
I know what the Kool-Aid.
And he's back out.
Slam in Georgia, I can sound it right. That's right.
How about it?
You want some Kool-Aid too? Hey, well, good evening to you. Somebody up on the northeast corner got Kool-Aid. Give us the Kool-Aid. Hamma Slam on my radio, man.
When you key that thing down, you come in and just clean this kind of dig all the way up. Mountain man, no background singers. I'm back out.
Well, what kind of Kool-Aid do you want?
I want some Kool-Aid. Hey, it's hard to say, I remember. Hey, say it be the Kool-Aid man. Hey, where's the Kool-Aid man? What's your...
Somebody want to know what kind of Kool-Aid I wanted. I don't want no damn Kool-Aid. That Big Papa got a Kool-Aid. Dirty Bird ain't got no damn Kool-Aid. I got some Coca-Cola and some pickle buzzer feet. I'm back out.
Pickle buzzer feet. Good.
Hey, with your Kool-Aid up there in the well, you said you know we're down here on me. Oh, Hamma Slam in Georgia. Wave and go.
Nah, Big Papa, we ain't drinking no Kool-Aid today, man. Mother Nature ain't on your side. Them boys way out front, man. Hey, Big Papa, take it easy. Take care. Good to heat up in my radio room. Hey, Big Papa, take it easy. Dirty Bird sipping on his Coca-Cola. Got down.
Hey, Caesar greeting to you. Hamma Slam around Georgia with the holiday wave. I'm gone. Hey, next time, us to Bill.
Hey, Big Papa, you say you're working at number 2 station, man. That's what you said. You said, Dirty Bird, I'm just working at number 2 station. That's what you said. Hey, Big Papa, while you cruising with the Kool-Aid Cub, Dirty Bird, get down.
You like it when you call him Big Papa?
Now, you want my ground out in there, do you? It can be that much quieter.
226, man. Well, I would have to say it has been done before.
Oh, it has been done before.
Kool-Aid can't wait.
Tell him again I cut his lips off. Tell him I cut his ragged ass lips off. Bye.
I heard a 34 hollering for 226. Is that right, 34? 34, did I get that right there? 226 Georgia waving.
No, but I guarantee you, if you don't turn that beam or flip that fucking ground plane or turn that squelch up, you ain't gonna have no choice but hear this one right here.
226, come on.
Always there, chicken.
That's right, we want some grape Kool-Aid. I hope you got grape, because it is good.
I know you're right.
I don't drink Kool-Aid. I ain't drank no Kool-Aid in years, but I do drink Coca-Cola Classic. Coca-Cola. Red can only, I'm back out.
I drink a lot of Coca-Cola, too. As long as there's some Captain Morgan's mixed in it. I drink that all day long. Up out there. 34.
Conditions are coming in, man. 226 Georgia, we're waving at you. We standing by.
If I go spend my money on something, I'm gonna buy Jack Daniels. But you know, that each his own. Ain't no wrong, no Captain Morgan. Captain Morgan, big deal too. And Coca-Cola makes it even better. All right, then let me pour this wine to the side. Me and this small mall in Georgia back out.
No doubt about a small mall in Georgia. Yeah, Jack and Coke, Captain and Coke, whatever floats your boat, man. We like it all. I'm not too picky when it comes to it. It's definitely all working, no doubt.
I know, I appreciate the combo from up that way, man. You fellas take it easy up there. Y'all have a good one. Hope you have some real blessed holidays coming up, man. Hope you get your buzz on, and hope you get your gifts on, and hope you get to spend time with your family. And everybody gets a great big old hug from you, no doubt. So I'm going to pour this wine to the side. You know who it is, old Dirty Bird down here broadcasting 50 miles south of Atlanta. I'm clear.
Well, 73's to you, Mr. Dirty Bird. You have yourself a wonderful evening. I'm sure we'll be hearing you in there for the rest of the night by the way these conditions going in. But sounded real good, Dirty Bird. I'm going to get back off the side, let some other people shoot some skip, and go see what's up for supper. So 73's to you, Dirty Bird. Sounded real good in my little radio. They call me Mr. Screwdriver up here around the state of Maine, and we're back quiet.
All right, Screwdriver, you take it easy, take care. Appreciate the combo, and I'll let you cap it. I'm clear. Bye-bye-bye.
Yeah, you're right on.
And have a good one, Dirty Bird. Real good job. 122 back out.
A lot of them out there, babysitter, I guarantee you, but you made the trip. Hello to you, Mr. Babysitter around Connecticut. Dirty Bird down here south of the bright light ATL, waving a hand, breaker.
And happy holidays coming up. 122.
Hello, 1212.
All right, babysitter, somebody else coming up from Boston, man. Nobody coming in and make a rubber show. Kind of being a great big old boy, but you didn't want to stop by and say hello, howdy doody. Real good job. Hey, babysitter, appreciate the bump down. Dirty Bird down here doing what I do. I'm back out.
Time with the boy in the blue water. He's up in here. Oh, Hamma slamming the Georgia woods. I'm waiting on some blue water talk. I'm standing by.
Double O seven. Believe it or not, don't mess.
3D station. 3D station. Whole lot of day made. Whole lot of derail. And a little bit of Dirty Bird. I'm back out.
Mario, back quiet.
Still rolling. Dirty Bird, you're still rolling into the ONEC. Still rolling into the NEC like it ought to be done. Dirty Bird sounding good. 122 letting you know.
Hey, 122 is just old derail 955 striker. And this old looking Dave made antennas, Dave made driver, man. Hey, 122, I appreciate it. I know you got a gate rolling up there. 122, take it easy, take care. Dirty Bird down here working this Dave made 4-element gun. I'm back out.
Working well for you, sir. Absolutely is on that. We're going to get back out of the road. Just want to let you know. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, 122, old Ricochet built my beam for me, man. It was a day made design, but old Ricochet come down here and built this beam for me, so no did. That'd be a real good friend of mine. Boat on you later, 122, Dirty Bird, I'm clear.
Right back at you. That Ricochet's a good guy. That old Ricochet is a good guy, absolutely is. Hey, Dirty Bird, have yourself a good one. We're going to get back out of the road, let the old video game roll, let you continue that old talk show up into the old NEC. Dirty Bird, sounding good up here in the corner. 122 back out. Bye-bye.
2226 in Georgia. Old Critter with the wave.
Hello out there, 122-2-99 down there in Atlanta, GA. Broadcast.
I'm at Boston Strangler, 226 Georgia. Old Critter with the wave.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Easy Rider 299 Georgia back out.
And there's 18 wheels of
Break 28. Can anyone hear me? Over.
Good evening, time, Boston Strangler. Hey, Boston Strangler, you make a lot of noise in Georgia, Dirty Bird, waving, breaker, breaker.
I'm at Boston Strangler, 226 Old Critter out of Georgia with the wave.
I guarantee you, hey, Boston Strangler, I wish I had a gate running, man. I should have a gate running, but I don't even know where my phone is. Hey, Boston Strangler, you smoking down here in Georgia. Dirty Bird thought you want to know, breaker, breaker.
Holiday wave.
Test 111. Hello, test. Hello, test 1.
I'll tell you what, man. This is a Mother Nature bang, all I can say. Because you got it down in my video, and you say I got it down in yours. Hey, Boston Strangler, backwoods, I'm standing by.
Test 11111. Hello, test 11111. Hello,
Boston Strangler, 226 Brian. Come on.
You take care, man. Have a real best holiday coming up around the corner. Appreciate it. Keep us up on man. Oh, boy, this ain't wide to the side. Mr. Boston Strangler, me and his derail audio in the woods, goddamn.
I hear you out there, Georgia Cracker. I hear you, Georgia Cracker. Old Critter, 226 Northeast Georgia with the wave.
Okay. Get out of here and jump out of the motor. Bird, do it. Hope you don't.
Carolina DA Clan, too.
Old Cracker, man, long time no talk. You put chill in my bones there, brother. Merry Christmas to you out there, 226. Old Critter, man, we waving. We're waving at that Georgia Cracker out there, 226, man. Hope you having a good one out there, Cracker. You take her easy. Critter said it, 226. We
Clan, 25683.
Flicker to my voice. Put it on you later. Critter, old Cracker, pulling out. Take it easy out there, old Cracker. 226 said it. 226 in Georgia. Northeast corner, Georgia. We said it. We standing by.